guys, Colorado Trailers. We're out in the snow, April 21st. Gotta love it. This trailer we just got in, it's super awesome. I wanted to show you guys. It is a 2018 Haulmark 7x18 plus 2-foot V. So you've got 7x20 total length in this. It's all aluminum. It's from their ALX line. Super high quality. It's got some great features to it. This one's in a smooth skin exterior in silver. It's really, really pretty. You guys can see you've got full running lights all across the top as well, and fender marker lights. This one again is a 2-foot V-nose front. You do have an extended all aluminum triple tube tongue and frame with this unit. 5-year factory warranty. Diamond plate rock guard all along the bottom, and then you've got the polished corner up the V-nose front. And again, I apologize, it's a little dirty, obviously, because it's snowing, but I wanted to get it out there because I love this trailer. Side door does have the RB lock and cam bar, so double lock protection on that side door. You also have a gutter. You also have the aluminum holdbacks, which is a really nice feature. Two 3,500-pound axles. These are also aluminum wheels, radial tires. You also have an aluminum fender. This one's got the 2-way side vents on it, so you guys can open and close these side vents, which is a bonus. Rear ramp door does come with a spring assist close. You guys can see that right there. And then you also have more running lights on top there, and of course LED strip tail lights. I'm going to take you guys in the side door since it's snowing. Show off the inside. Back side of this RV lock has this, the lock latch and a set of keys to it. And we're gonna just hold this door back for us so we can have some light while we're in there. Super simple to latch that, you guys can see. Interior, you have 4 D-rings in the floor, full Drymax walls and floor. Drymax is an engineered product that they use, super high quality. It doesn't absorb the water and it's water wicking, so you guys don't have to worry about this floor like a plywood floor where if you pull in a wet razor or dirt bikes or quads or whatever, you don't have to worry about that wood floor warping and shrinking and everything else on you guys. So great product. And you have a bonus because it's also on the walls. Full one-piece aluminum roof. This one also has 10 overhead LED pucks. I love that. A roof vent as well. Looks like it's already braced for AC, so if you ever wanted to add that down the road, you've got the framing and bracing right there for that as well. Toggle switch turns those lights on and off. Then the back is very cool. This is your 2-way side vent back here. There's another one up in the front corner, so you guys can see you can open and close that. You also have a toggle switch back here. There is a rear load light off this ramp as well, so LED load light, so you guys can have some light to unload and load at the back of this ramp. This one's also equipped with 2 transition flaps. So you have one here at the ramp and another one from the ramp to trailer, which is great if you guys need to roll anything in and out of here as well. 2 more D-rings here. I'm going to spin around. Really neat nose that they've done. They already have shelving here for you guys, so perfect setup for helmets, gear, whatever. We got 2. Here's your other side vent. And then this one's also equipped with a battery, so it's going to run these interior lights for you without having to be hooked up to your vehicle. And it's stowed away nice and neat here in the floor. So really cool trailer. Lots of really nice features and things that make trailers much, much easier. All the things people wish they usually have. Lots of lighting, roof vent, interior battery. Here you guys can see it turns these lights on and off without having to even be hooked up. So, and the double transition flaps is another great feature as well. So here it is. Again, it's all aluminum, so it's going to weigh less than your standard steel trailer, and you get a better warranty with it, and then a bunch of cool features as well. Give us a call if you guys are in the market for a new trailer, 303-688-8485. Check us out online, coloradotrailersinc.com. We do have shipping options available for you guys if you're not near us. That's okay. We've got an amazing transporter that runs for about half the price of what most everybody else quotes out. So great option there. And as always, be sure to like and subscribe.